Hey there, I'm Bryan White from Vancouver, Washington, and I'm on day two of Drone Command Live. This has been an incredible experience. I've been in the drone industry for 7 years now, and I've made some money from it, but I came here because I wanted to take it to the next level, and just at the halfway mark of a day and a half, we're already to the point where where I've got what I need to take this where I want it. Now, if that's where I am at the halfway mark through this, what's it going to be like after we get done tomorrow? I can't wait to find out, and you should find out too by signing up right now here at Drone Command Live. And you'll see an option to get the VIP experience. I highly recommend that because yesterday was just jam packed with value. And then in that short time, that short one-on-one time with the course instructors, they pretty much doubled it. So do it if you are a drone fanatic. If you want to be an entrepreneur, this is the course that you want to take. We're at a point in history that may never come this way in our lifetimes again. You can get ahead of the curve right now. And here at Drone Command Live, they'll show you how to do it.